Yeah, it's looking very, very, very good indeed, and this is exactly why we said that you just can't write Lando off, because he is just this forgotten man in the championship. All the hype was around Max. He actually obviously the championship leader with all that pressure on, and Lando, this is a huge, huge, huge opportunity for him to take the championship lead and some more. So Tommy, you got a little bit eager with this next question because you already knew it was coming and you've answered it, but I want to put my my two pence.
Bruh, this person's... Why have you stopped there? No one is going to be able to get through. Wait, actually, I'm going to have to reverse. Now I think about it. Wait, what is this person doing? No one is going to be able to get through. Why aren't they reversing? What is this? Finally they're reversing. Okay. That was so intelligent.
stock shares and ETFs when you invest with IG. IG. Trade,
Yeah, that's true.
Well, I've got a couple of points I'd like to make. I once held the world record for the highest peak crop, which is quite interesting, a few years ago when I was much younger, and got a visitation from you'll see these very large green circles, and I think it's part of their psyche to turn the desert green with air conditioning, and you can't grow wheat. That's one point. The other point is, with gene editing, we can introduce this gene.
Quite good at what does.
Kids on these electric motorbikes. No registration, no helmets, no nothing. Most of them have got masks on, so they hope they don't get